In this video, I'm going to show you how to snipe meme coins on Alph AI. Now, the first thing you need is you have to create your account, so there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check it out. Again, link down below, you will not regret it. Now, on here to actually snipe meme coins, first select the chain you would like to use. I'm going to do the Binance Smart Chain over here, and then under the meme tab here, you can go ahead and switch from hunting or K-line, whatever you have, to snipe, okay? And whenever you go to the snipe over here, you can then select which ones you want to snipe. You can do the new creation, almost graduated or graduated, and then over here you can see basically the progress, tag, etc. So pretty much everything here. And then you can go ahead and just buy as quickly as possible by clicking this quick buy button over here. Of course, up top you can adjust how much BNB you would like to buy worth of this token. So as you can see here, if I change like this, like 12, whatever I do, here you can just quick buy with the click of this button. And then of course, if you have sufficient balance on your account, you'll be able to quickly snipe these meme coins. So that's how to snipe. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.